गोय पर्यटन विकास महामंडळ आणि 2 खासगी पार्ट्यांमदी निर्वाण नावाची बोट भाड्यान घेऊन ती चलोवपाक त्रिपक्षीय कबलात जाल्या। हे कबलातीक घेऊन गोय पर्यटन विकास महामंडळात घोटाळो जाला, ताजी चौकशी जावची, हळदोंचो आमदार ॲडव्होकेट कार्लोस आल्वारीस फेरेरान मागले। जीटीडीसी नोव्हेंबर 2018 मरीन टेकशिप मॅनेजर्स आणि सर्वेयरांक कंत्राट दिल्ले। एसपीव्हीची स्थापना केली आणि ऑपरेटरा बरोबर त्रिपक्षीय कबलात केली। चार्टरांचो काळ 20 वर्सांचो आसलो। जीटीडीसी दर म्हयन्याक 19.80 लाख अधिक जीएसटी दिता। ऑपरेटरांक चार्टर फी दर वर्सा 5% वाडोवपाचे कलम आसा, ॲडव्होकेट फेरेरान सांगले।
There is one very important thing which I would raise before the House is about a boat which was being put up. That boat is now, they called it Nirvana. And in this Nirvana, the GTDC had given a contract to Marine Tech Ship Managers and Surveyors on 5th November 2018. An SPV was formed and a tripartite agreement was executed with the operator. Charter period 20 वर्साचो आणि GTDC फारीक कोत्ता 19,80,000 आणि per month to end GST is extra. Charter fees to the operator, escalation clause aha 5% every year. The government of Goa, I can see, is paying port charges, bunkering, which is fuel, lubrication, oil, consumables, water, everything it is paying. Whatever is requisition, you have to pay. On-off hire surveys you have to carry out. All surveys, docking and major repairs, GTDC. And if you are going to pay this amount, I think this is a scam. I think the government must review this, because you can't drain out your funds to make payment to an operator who will have Mary, and you will only collect petty amount of revenue of tickets. How much will you get on a ticket? And you're going to pay lakhs of rupees? If it's 19 lakhs, you multiply 20 lakhs a year, a month. Multiply just by 10, it becomes 2 crores. So another 2 means 2 crores, 40 lakhs you are going to pay, excluding GST.
गोवा 365 खातीर विलियम रॉड्रिक्स, जवाहर बर्वे आणि शिवानी सांगेलकार।